Hello people, welcome to my channel. I am Raj Ocean. Okay, as you can see, I was searching online on YouTube for a material that can be used for world align. You see, if I even rotate this, everything will work quite. But this type of material on YouTube was only for landscape material. I wanted to use it on meshes. So this is a tutorial where I will teach you how to create a material that can be used on any mesh, and it will use the height data to blend between three materials. I've used three materials: a rock, a mud, or soil, or a grass. You can change it whatever you want, however you want. It will be easy to understand. So let's dive into it. Okay, to create that material, I have created a simple setup to for you to easy to understand. Hmm. Nandakure. Okay, as you can see here, we have three total of three materials. First one is this. We easy to understand this way. Look, there's a green one, there is a yellow one, and there is a gray one. Yeah. The I'm blending two materials. Let's say a rock, a dirt with lerp using world aligning blend with with the parameters of blend sharpness and blend base. Okay. This setup will be same throughout the process. Same after blending this, we are blending another material which is our third or say grass material. Same setup used in alpha lerp. So basically when we lerp this all became a single material. Okay, this all became a single material. Then we are blending it with the third material. So we have three materials blended into the base color. Sure, here it is. You might have to change the something. You might have to change these settings. I have changed it to my likings. Yeah. Okay. This material is best used with the rocks and mountains. Okay. You will not be restricted to landscape only after this. Let's create let's create a realistic material. So I have downloaded three materials: a dirt, a grass, and a rock. Okay. Okay. And then I have created material functions. How you can create material function? You right click, go to material, go to advanced, create material function. After that, you will be welcomed with this node only. You rename this node, and you drag and drop the materials like dirt, roughness, and normal. Make a material output, create this node, and join all these three. Oh, I'm sorry for this. Okay, you can join these three and output here. Do same with all three. Then you drag this and drop here. Uh, Yeah, easy peasy. There's a grass, there is dirt, there is rock. Now we have to break this. We're doing this because we don't want a multiple setup or a cluttered view in our main material. So when we will be changing, for example, in dirt we want to add color change, tint, brightness, or say we want to change UV panning. All these node will take lots of space. We don't want that clutter here. That's why we are using material function. Now we break this, break material attribute, same control Z control V and control C control V. This is our grass material, so I will be using it here. This is our rock, so I'm using rock here. And this is our dirt, so I'll use dirt here. You can choose any material for this of your liking. You can also use moss or say snow. It will work. Base color 2 here. This will go here to the lerp node, and this will go here. So yeah, you will have this setup. Your all three materials for last two, they will go to lerp node with with alpha being world align blend. Right click and search world align blend. Then these parameters, same setup. You can copy this and paste here with alpha. B will be this or A will be this material, first one, and goes to base color. Easy. For less cluttering, I will be doing this. Okay. Now, if you apply this, you will see it is working. Now we will need to change our tiling. Okay. So let's change tiling. We will do this line wise. We have to every change tiling of every material function. So first we need texture coordinate, multiply a scalar node. We'll name it grass tiling, or all these goes here. Easy. You might want to make default 1. Copy this. Same here. Make this our rock tiling. Same here. This being dirt tiling. Fine. Make sure to save all because my PC is not very kind to me. Basically, it is a potato PC. It can crash at any time because I'm recording this now. Okay. So now we go to material instance, and here is our tiling. First, we'll change our grass tiling. If you're using a different material, you might see tiling here. We will solve that later. Don't worry. It like this. You've seen this tiling. We can change it later. I'm using kind of material which won't affect that much. Same here, 20 or say 10. I want to see little. Okay, same here with this 20. We are seeing less of a grass, so let's change these. This, the grass is taking a lot of ground. And it's also merging with our main material. We might want to change to a different Megascan material. for soil. Pixel Bridge. You have access to Pixel Bridge again. You don't have to use Fab for up to 20 December or 27th of December. Basically December. Soil. I have used this one if it loads. Yeah, I've used this one. Let's go with this one. Equality, download. Hmm, Soil. Let's change these. This one goes with this one goes here. This one goes here. And this one goes here. All well? Yeah, now it's better. Let's make some changes. I think this will do. We have three different materials. Hmm, Right. Now we have to do same things for normal and for roughness. Here we will use roughness and same with normal. Roughness and normal. I think it will be easy to understand. For these set of nodes, I'm using this as alpha, and for these set of nodes, I'm using this as an alpha. Yeah. This is normal, this is roughness, this is base color. I know it's quite complicated, but you have to understand the basics. Following complication, we have a complication which is, as you can see, we are facing problem. This one, non-pixel, etc., etc. Because this same node won't work with normal. If you hover over here, you can read it quite clearly. For normal, we have to try this, either this one or that one. So for the normals, one will go here and the other one will go here. I think it will work right this time. Yes. Uh, Problem solved. Mhm. Everything working flawlessly. Now, you can change every material from here. Also, you want to change the tiling. So all you have to do is go to your starter content. Haven't I? I think you don't need it. If you guys are doing this type of material, you already know how to solve that. If you don't know, just comment below. I'll post a video. I'm quite fast, so I'll post that video on the same day. Yeah. Honto arigato. Sayonara.